while you're all here, I might as well take a chance to talk to you about a few things that I've had on my mind recently. As a good portion of you probably already know, there are some changes that have been implemented recently or will be implemented soon on this platform that I'm using here, YouTube. The YouTubes. YouTube is, I'm not gonna go super into detail about this, but YouTube is making changes to their partnership program, where if you have less than 1,000 subscribers and less than 4,000 watch hours total on your videos in the last 6 months or something like that, you will no longer be eligible to monetize your videos with ad and make money off of ad revenue. Now there are two sides to this story. Two sides of the argument. People saying that this is fine and defending it. People saying that this is a big problem and, well, if YouTube's not going to support the little people, we're just going to quit. And I kind of understand that argument, but I also kind of disagree with it. If you have less than 1,000 subscribers and less than 4,000 watch hours, your ad revenue is barely making a blip on your financial radar. I've been doing YouTube for the last... oh my God, how long have I been doing this? Well over 6 months, maybe even over a year. Or longer, I don't know. I've been back on this YouTube platform that I love so much. And I've made, I think, a grand total of $100 on ad revenue. It's not a whole lot over that long period of time. So if you're doing this, money shouldn't, especially when you're starting out, money can't really be the thing you're worried about. Now, I'm not saying that money is important. Anybody who tells you that they don't care about money at all, they're either psychotic or lying to you. One of those two. Because money is kind of what makes the world turn, whether we want to admit it or not. But it shouldn't be what makes you happy. I don't know about other creators out there. I know there are some on both sides of the fence, but what makes me happy is jumping into Premiere and starting the editing process, or sitting here and writing down in a notebook thinking, how am I gonna plan these shots? How am I gonna get this video made? Or getting a call from a friend saying, hey, I've got this event coming up, let's shoot a video. And me just grabbing my gear and running out the door, not knowing where it's gonna go and just making it up on the fly. I love this production process. I love the platform of YouTube. I love the fact that I can go make something and be creative with something, sit here for hours editing it, and then upload it and see what people think of it. I love that there's a discussion there. I love the feedback, and I love the audience and community aspect that YouTube gives to creators like myself. Where the issue comes in is the time spent on things. If you spend too much time on something and you're not getting a whole lot of feedback, then it's not really as much of a priority as it shouldn't be as much of a priority as you're making it. I think I'm just starting to go off on a rant here. Basically, this YouTube partnership program change, ad revenue thing has really gotten me thinking as to where I am on this platform and where I would like to be and where I want to go. I'm currently at something like 400 or 200 and something, 240 something subscribers. It seems like I can't get above 250 subscribers. I'm not quite sure what it is that's causing that. I've done some things that I thought were interesting, and I've done some pretty good, some interesting collaborations with people. I did a small collaboration with Jimmy DiResta where I shot a video while he was shooting a video, and our videos ended up linking to each other, and I thought maybe I would get some exposure from that, but that ended up not happening. Same thing with Jerry, with Barnacules Nerdgasm. I made this really cool Destiny prop that was 3D printed, and I sent it to him. Now, granted, I was told that he was going to link me or credit me for making that in his posts or whatever it is that he posted. He posted it on Instagram, I think, like twice, and he never credited me. I'm not butthurt about that, but I am kind of... That did kind of suck a little bit because I was kind of expecting some credit for the work that I did there. It seemed like it didn't even make a blip on my radar of gathering more of a community and getting more people involved. I want to focus on making cool stuff, but also getting more involvement, getting more of a community involvement on this platform. So this is where you come in. If you're watching this, either you've stumbled across this video by accident, which is highly unlikely, or you're somebody who's already subscribed. What I want to know is, why are you here? What is it that brought you to my channel, brought you to this video, or to my other videos, and then by extension this video, and got you to stay? Why are you subscribed? To those 240 some people out there, why are you subscribed to this channel? And what can I do to continue giving you that? Not only do I want to be proud of the work that I'm creating, the things that I'm 3D printing, or the short films that I'm creating, I want to be proud of those, but I also want other people to be proud of them too. I want people to feel like they've been a part of something. I want to start a discussion. I want to be able to talk to people, get feedback from people. So what can I do for you people out there in internet YouTube land that like my channel so far? What can I do that continues to get you to like this channel? I ventured out into a few other things before. I made some Lego videos, and I understand that nobody on this channel likes Lego videos. There are a few people who enjoyed it, but I actually got some comments on the Lego videos of people saying, when are you getting back to 3D printing stuff? So that right there tells me that people like 3D printing stuff. Okay, I need to do more 3D printing stuff. My most popular video on the channel so far is the Benchy Cura versus Simplify 3D comparison, and the only reason it's the most watched video is because everybody hates it. A lot of people are upset about that video, but it's been getting really good feedback, and it's taught me something, and I've learned something from it, and I'm working on recreating that in a better way that both betters myself, but also creates better content. As you can see on the shelf back here, I've been working on fixing that. It's hard to vocalize my feelings about this. I love the fact that YouTube as a platform gives the ability for a community of people to be involved in one person's creativity. Of all the social media platforms, YouTube would be the best platform there is out there that does that, and I love being a part of it. I'd love to know what you think. I would really like to know what you think. I'd love to get some feedback here. I am not leaving. There is no way I'm gonna leave because of this YouTube change. If anything, knowing that YouTube is making these changes makes me want to get to 1,000 subscribers even more. It makes me want to work even harder at it. It makes me want to double down and just really learn new techniques and to get better production quality into my videos. That being said, I'll do the thing that everybody else does. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. Throw a comment down there. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button. If you don't like what I'm doing, tell me what you don't like, and then hit the subscribe button. I also do have a Patreon. The only things I really post on the Patreon are behind the scenes videos, cut content from videos that I do release, and most of that ends up being the podcast, which I'd love to know what everybody thinks of the podcast. I don't really get a whole lot of feedback on that show either. Should I continue doing that on this channel? Should I turn it into its own channel and have that channel focus on the podcast? But the good part is the Patreon is only $1 a month. I recently took every reward that I had on Patreon and I got rid of the multiple levels, and I just turned it into $1 a month for everything, because like I said, I want the community, I want to build more of an audience and more of a community here, and I want to focus less on the money. So when I create bonus content like that, I don't want it to be in like a $4 or $7 a month category. I just want to make it $1. That's it. It's just $1 a month. So yeah, anyways, thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.